it's Jackie! And I am here to continue the Bad Habit After series. And this time we are digging in to After Charge. Look at how pretty. Yes, you are seeing that right. All shimmer. All shimmer. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. You'll miss out on lots of fun stuff if you are not subscribed. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, possibly gentlemen, I don't know. Most likely just ladies. Oh, that was horrible. Okay, so we're going to play with After Charge, which is going to be quite the challenge. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is all shimmer. All shimmer. So, that's going to be fun. All right. I already primed my eyes with Bad Habit eye primer. So, because that's not at all interesting. We're going to start off with Energized. And we're going to use that as our crease transition. Let's see how this goes, shade. This is going to be interesting. Okay, let's hop into that. Oh, I don't even know if this is going to work. I'm scared. It's super duper shimmery. Oh god, I don't know, guys. This look may go awry. I don't. Really hard to see, but I guess it's on there. Right? I think. Can you tell? I can't freaking see anything. Yeah. Okay. I can kind of see it now. Oh, it's there. It's there. It's hard to tell because it's a light color, but it is there. Okay. Now let's go into something else. I have no idea. Let's go into Bounce Back, which is this purple right here. It's going to be a very shimmery purple look, I think. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to put that in the crease and outer V. See how that works. Let's start it over here. I'm nervous. I'm grabbing very little because I'm very nervous what's going to happen here. This is definitely like a partner palette. It's not a full look palette. You're definitely going to need other shades that are matte to go with this palette, because it would just look better. But I try to do looks just using what's in it's one palette alone. So that's what I'm doing. But I do not suggest it because it is quite shimmery. And I'm going to have shimmer all over my face, literally. Like, hello, it's going to be everywhere. It's a pretty color, though. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is just fun. Fun. I have to do another look too from this palette. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you think in the next look I should use like some mattes and stuff to pair with this to kind of get a more realistic look, I guess. Because this, I mean, who's really gonna be doing this? Other than me, and you know what? I will wear this all day too. I do my makeup, I film, do my makeup, and then I wear it all day. I do my makeup and I'm done. That's it. I don't do my makeup more than once a day. My cat is causing havoc. I don't know what the heck he's doing out there. Making a lot of noise. But yeah, film, video, and that's whatever look I do for you guys, that's the look I wear all day long. Okay, that's a lie. There is one time when I did a look. It was I want to say it was an LA color palette I was using, and I did an orange look, and I took it off. I didn't like it, but that's the only time. So now we're going to use our finger, and we're going to pop Invigorate on the lid. Ugh, just stuck my finger in purple. Okay, so yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do a more realistic look with, you know, some matte shadows as well as this palette in the next video. Oh, that hurt. Because I will. But yeah. Or if you want to see what other look I can create with all shimmers. This is crazy. And I did end up picking up a glitter glue, in case you were wondering, from the last video. I did end up getting a glitter glue. This is a hot mess, guys. I mean, come on. Look at this. It's a mess. There's shimmer everywhere. Colors mixing with other colors. Like, I'm going to try this flat brush for that color. Try to get it more, I don't know, concentrated on the lid, I guess. Yep, we're going to wet it. Gotta wet it. It's Sometimes you just got to. I feel like that color would go better like over another shadow. Like another like pinky purple color. It'd be a nice shadow topper, I think. This look is a hot mess. Hot mess. What am I gonna do with this? Let's take this more shimmer, second wind color and put that in the outer corner because it's a darker purple. I'm using my finger for this. There we go. I like that. That's better-ish, maybe. Maybe not. Okay, let's go back into that bounce back purple creasy color that we used and try to blend it in a little better to that newly found purple on the outer corner. Take that, energize the initial transition shade and just buff the edges, I guess. Oh boy. Let's clean up under. Oh, makeup's fun. I mean, clearly, I obviously know it is unrealistic to think anybody is going to use all shimmers in an eye look. I just wanted to see what I could do just using this palette. But like I said, let me know if you want to see a more realistic look using this palette. And I will, incorporate some other palette for mattes. I'm going to pop on lashes, fix this mess, and I'll be back to finish the bottom lash line. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so the rest of my face is done. My skin's being really stupid today, so my makeup doesn't look the best. I don't know what the heck's going on. But anywho, let's finish up the bottom lash line, shall we? I'm gonna go in with, oh boy, what am I gonna go in with? I'm gonna go in with, oh shoot, let's go in with Bounce Back, and, just, now I'm gonna go into Second Wind and put that on the outer third to tie it in. Sure, yeah, let's stick with that. Okay, so, I'm going to go with, nah, let's keep it nice and bright. Let's go in with the Brow Lift Pencil. Oh, I got glitter in my eye, or shimmer, or whatever. So there's that. Let's put on mascara. And voila! All done. So this is the finished product. It's not a product. Finished look. All shimmers. All shimmer. Okay. Wow. Okay. I don't hate it. I mean, it's really not that bad. It's not terrible. I just know that it could be better if it wasn't all shimmers. So leave in the comments if you would like me for the next look to do something that is not all shimmer. And yeah. So that is it for I'm so spacey today. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe. That was terrible. And hit the notification bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, I look forward to checking the comments and seeing what you guys think. So yeah, leave me a comment. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!